Hello, you're here with Cadets Ahoua, Contreras, and Gordon, and this is our Deliverable 1B Budget Counseling Tool for Soldiers. On our agenda, we have the influence chart, a questionnaire, a 5-year plan that shows the short-term savings of a soldier, the cost, and investing in retirement page, as well as our references. Here is our influence chart, which shows fixed variables or decisions and actual variables that go into soldiers' expenses and income, which total up to be their net worth.
Now we move over to our questionnaire form where we ask Private Joe Snuffy questions in order to calculate his total monthly pay and eventually his yearly pay. So as you can see from these bars, you can click on them and select officer or enlisted, his rank, the state which he lives, his time of service, his duty station, whether or not he's single or married, whether or not he has dependents, separation, hardship duty pay, hostile fire pay, HDIP, which is parachute pay, and halo pay, aircrew or pilot pay, deployed status as well. And these all get calculated into base pay, BAH, BAS, and any additional payments. All of this is then calculated through the tax bracket with an equation that will calculate taxes and then total his income after taxes. Then we also include costs and average expenses to include housing, car, TSP, food, travel, things like that, which will end up giving him a monthly net pay, which will end up moving into our 5-year plan. The 5-year plan is a short-term savings plan, which calculates the average income throughout the years to include promotion rankings right here to see where he might be at after 5 years. So after 5 years, he'll have about $40,000.
Now here we have the possible costs for Private Joe Snuffy. And for housing, let's say he has a loan of $20,000. It changes everything at a specific interest if he wants to pay it over 5 years. So the number of periods will be 60. So this is his yearly payments right here, and that's included with the BAH. And this is a balance that he would have when you use the BAH minus his payments. And this is the interest that he'll be paying over time. And if he was buying a car at this specific loan with this specific interest, this would be his monthly payments and the interest that he'll be paying for that. So now here for the last part, we're looking at how much he wants to invest compared to how much he would like to make in the future. So this investment here looks at the TSP payments, the monthly payments, which is 10% of his monthly pay, multiplied by 12 to give him his yearly payments. And you can see the chart down here shows his amount invested compared to the account balance and how much he's increasing. And here is how much he would like to make. So if he wanted to make $500,000 by his retirement, it shows you here what his monthly payments, his yearly payments will have to be. And once again, you can see down here this graph shows the amount that he's investing and the account balance.
These additional pages were used throughout the Excel workbook.
In our budget counseling tool, we added in these links in order to help the soldier get more information on different topics. Thank you very much, and that was our presentation.